the entire metal basket is doing well, all looking good. My preference would be perhaps for just two. Tata Steel still looking good. It's a gap up opening yesterday, can very easily climb to levels closer to around 415. I would have a stop below 386 and trade long on Tata Steel. Another stock that I like is JSW Steel. I like the up move and then a kind of a consolidation, and finally a breakout has come in yesterday. Not one but two breakouts has come in, and looks like JSW Steel can climb to levels closer to around 1100 zones. Stop, a strong support, not stop, a strong support around the levels of 1030 on JSW Steel should be just fine. So I'll go for these two stocks. Maruti has seen a good base formation, strong support around the levels of 1920. That is just good enough. On the upside, possibly closer to around 2000 or maybe higher, but psychologically I would say 2000 could be a target. Not resistance, but target, yes.
I would want to short ONGC at 319 levels in the cash segment. I would hold these short positions so initiated with a stop loss at 322, and I would expect to book profits at 314 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a short on Bank of India in the cash segment at 229 levels, holding these short positions so initiated with a stop loss at 232, expecting to book profits at 224 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
For today, I have two stocks, both long, starting with Hindustan Zinc. Hindustan Zinc has given beautiful breakout at first at 123 and then again at 125 zones. So that's the place I would have a stop. On the upside, Hindustan Zinc can climb to levels closer to 134, 135. So Hindustan Zinc is up. The second stock that I like is TCS, simmering TCS. Yesterday, TCS has given some strong support around the levels of around 2090. That's the place I would have a stop, 2085, 90. Very strong support on TCS. On the upside, possibly we could see levels close to 2200. So for today, two stocks, both long, Hindustan Zinc and TCS. Nifty futures, I prefer to trade Nifty futures, can climb to levels closer to 6,800, stop below 6,700, bias up.
In the future space, I would want to short Larsen & Toubro April futures at 1,280 levels, holding these short positions with a stop loss at 1,291, expecting to book profits at 1,266 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
I would go with a buy in a Aban, which is showing a good traction, has given a breakout price and volume breakout yesterday. Stop loss of 519, target of 565. The second call is a buy in a Bajaj Finserv, stop loss of 754, target of 845. And for FNO traders, I talked of it earlier, I would go with a buy in a India Bulls Real Estate April futures, stop loss of 5250, target of 5850.
The first pick would be a buy on Hindalco. As I just stated that a downward sloping wedge has been broken out on the medium term scale, and we expect the stock to move towards 160. So the stock can be bought with a stop loss at 132. The second pick would be a buy on Arvind Mill. If you look at the stock setup, it has been forming continuation pattern which is bullish in nature. So we expect the stock to move higher. For a target of 200, the stock can be accumulated at the current level, and a stop loss for the same can be kept at 164.